Okay, I've just thrown a small chuck to turn this birdhouse. We just place a bit of plastic bag over it. A little bit wider. We'll make it a bit wider. Plastic just stops the clay from sticking to each other too much. Sit it down nicely. As you can see, I've already started turning this, but I used this old chuck here that has been pre-fired, pre-made, dried, but it didn't sit right in it, so it's easy enough just to turn a new one, especially for the job. Okay, we're just turning the lid, the roof of it. It has to be quite simple, really. That's it. That's all there is to it. Smooth it off a bit because I'm going to put a little design on the top of it. I normally do. Just take a needle. And as it's a wren's birdhouse, small wren on the top, or my rendition of one anyway. Do what you want really. 2 legs, branch, okay, into the top. It then has a hole cut in. Now I hope you can see that. Just take it back a bit. I use a piece of copper pipe for these small birdhouses. Turn it off a second. And I just turn it. Smooth it out. And then make a small hole. Just 1 second now. These are skewers that you use for sort of kebabs and stuff on barbecues, and I use them for a lot of my work. That'll be cut off, and the landing perch is there. We then, using the same stick, make 2 holes. And just raise the front up a little bit there. Not for no real reason apart from water doesn't drip over the entrance. What you can do as well, and I hope you're getting all this in, just check. Can do as well is make a bigger hole in it, and what I use here is the end of this flexible filler decorators, one of these tubes you use in a gun. the ends of them are really quite sharp. So what you can do then as an alternative is cut a hole out that side, on there. It's deforming a little bit this because it's a bit wet to be doing this. Just thought I'd show you. Just done it quickly. Obviously you'll mark it and evenly space all these things. And then what you have is a bird feeder. Okay. Same again. Perch. Go right through. Obviously your finish will be a lot better than that. I've just rushed it a little bit just so you can get it all on the film. And there you have it. In answer to one or two people's questions on how I did it. Throw it this way up, turn it closed, let it dry, flip it over in a chuck, quickly turn the top, and there you have it. Right, that one's back in the bin. Reclaim it and make something useful.